Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off screen time on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to settings. After that we need to scroll down and click screen time. After that, we need to scroll down again and click Lock Screen Time Settings. Here we must set passcode, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.